Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you one tool that is free and paid version. So we are going to use free version and we will make thumbnail for free. So let us visit that website and I will show you overall view of that website or tool. So the tool is Canva. Canva is graphic design company or website. So here you can see free design tool, presentation, video, social media, anything. So through this tool we are going to create thumbnail. Okay, so remember this tool, and it is most popular tool in social media as well as everywhere. Okay, so we will click on this. So this is my personal account. So if you don't have account, you just go ahead, register yourself or sign up. You can register by using your Gmail account. So it's very easy to use and it's very easy to create social media post as well as thumbnail. So we will go one by one and we will check. So for you, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, print products, you can create a website. So we are not going to see pricing all details. Free is enough for us. Okay, so don't get confused. Here home templates, like business social media templates. So these are the social media templates, Instagram post, like square post and Instagram stories. Anyway, so I'm not going in detail. You just come to this website, Twitter post, and see what we can create by using this platform. So I can say overall you can create anything, but here our one target is creating YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can visit this page or search bar and you just type here YouTube banner, intro, thumbnail, banner, logo, whatever. Okay, so we are going to select YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and we will select blank. So here we can create fresh thumbnail just by easy drag and drop. Okay, so we will show you these things in the upcoming lesson, but here I will show you one important part, and that is like the size of the thumbnail. Yes, so just go ahead, create a design. Okay, like YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 into 720 pixel. Remember this, 1280 into 720 pixel. Okay, now customize size. If you want that, no, I want to use my own size, then just go ahead and customize the size. Here you just write it 1280 plus 720 or more than that. Okay, like 1280 into like 721. Okay, we have changed the size, like it was 720 and I have given here 721. So in this way you can create new design with your own size. Okay, okay, so this is the thumbnail area or thumbnail picture. Here we can design according to our needs. Okay, now you can see here elements, uploads, text, projects, backgrounds. So suppose you want to upload image from your desktop. Okay, then you will click on upload. So I have some images here. Okay, take the example of this picture, or just I will press Ctrl Z, or you can upload files from desktop or your computer. Okay, so I'm going to select downloads, and now I will select this picture as I have already downloaded. Okay, open. Now you will see your picture here, and once you click here it will reach to this page. Done. Or you can simply drag and drop here to it will cover the whole area of the picture, and your part is done here. Okay, and if you want to add text, you come to this area and add text here. Simple. Okay, right here, Merry Christmas. This is simple. I'm just showing you. I will show you advanced one. Okay, so our thumbnail is ready. Now I want to download it. How we can download it? Just go to share button, come down, and you will see this download button. Now the file is in PNG form, so we will convert in JPG form, and you can see the size here 1280 into 721 pixel, because we have given 21 but the exact size is 720. Okay, now download. Okay, so you can see here we got our thumbnail on our desktop. Anyway, so we will create some advanced one in the upcoming lesson. So this is the overall view of our software, and that is Canva. And just please don't go for paid version. Free is enough for you, because if your content is good, you just don't worry about your thumbnail or tools or techniques. Yes, depends on your video is depends on like keyword, thumbnail and content. Okay, so go to home, and just see each and everything what exactly you want. Okay, and when you land on this website you will get thumbnail here, or you can custom size, you can create custom size, and you just click here and it will show you what you want to create, and it will give you the blank page. Okay, so in the upcoming lesson I will show you another thumbnail, and for now, bye bye.